Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Is another update for today's video. We are here in this application called Hobbiton application. So this is my point. I have here 10,946 is equivalent of 21 US dollar. So last time nag-withdraw ako dito, it was June 19. So today is 1 week already. So it was Wednesday last week, tas ngayon Wednesday na. So we are going to check sa ating AP kung pumasok na siya. So ang ways of earnings dito is magre-reply ka ng mga messages. Okay. Bawat messages may equivalent siya na ayan o plus 4. It means 4 points. Tapos waiting calls din siya dito. Pag pindutin mo lang yung available, kusang pumapasok yung mga calls. So, proceed tayo sa ating APay account. So, ito na sa APay na tayo. Ayun yung balance natin, 34.10 USD. Transaction record, ayan na siya ngayong araw. 24,626 ng June, success na yung 30 USD na winidraw ko nung last June 19. So, ang Hobbiton application ay still paying application. So, if you want to join, I will put the link down below. Thank you so much everyone.